Hey everyone, this is Ty from Tennessee. I am an IT professional and a motorcycle enthusiast. On this channel, I like to create motorcycle content. Hopefully I'll create something that you guys will enjoy to watch and that I have fun producing. So today we are on US 129. We're going to ride the Dragon. We're going to go visit the Fontana Dam afterwards. Alright, so the stretch that we're on is the famous US 129 Tail of the Dragon, 318 or 319 curves in 11 miles. It's been a few months ago, but I did make another video for the ride of the Dragon. It was called 5 Minutes on Tail of the Dragon. I'll put a card up here so you guys can view that. I do like riding the Dragon, and I don't mind the switchbacks. I think I've done this ride enough where I'm starting to feel a little more comfortable with it as time goes by. But I do enjoy kind of those long sweeping turns a lot more, like you find on the Foothills Parkway or Cherahalla Skyway. You know, either one of those. I like those type of rides. But the Dragon, if you've never ridden this before, you know, I highly recommend it. It is fun, and there's a certain skill level to it, but it's not. I don't think it's as bad as people make it out to be. You just have to, you know, pay attention to the road, pay attention to your bike, watch your speed, and then make sure you give that same etiquette to the people who are behind you as well.
You want to go back to that scenic overlook?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, so we made our mark. I laid down some stickers over there at the overlook. See, this is when you gotta look cool. You gotta look awesome. Making some pitches. Like you're really going super fast. When you're just hokey pokey. Now the Dragon ends, well, I'm not going to say the Dragon ends here, but typically most people end their ride pretty close to here. You can probably see the campground down here. Yeah, there's not a lot of bikes there compared to what it typically is, no doubt. Eric and I, we're not going to stop. We are going to cruise on and try to find the Fontana Dam. Alright, we have crossed over to the Fontana Dam. I believe we're really close. Powerhouse Road, I would imagine so. Whoa, holy cow. I didn't expect something that big. That's massive. Gosh, I guess this is it. So we are in the Smokies, apparently. You know, as many times as I've been in the Smokies, I've never seen a bear in the wildlife. I'd love to see a bear. Not too up and close and personal, but I would like to see a bear. Alright, so I just saw a sign for Fontana Dam. So let's hope for the best, shall we? Visitor Center. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. It's right across. So right now we're riding across the Fontana Dam. So just a few minutes ago, Eric and I were right down there, and now we're way up here. Oopsie. It's pretty cool. That's something you don't get to do every day, right?
Right across the dam?
Yeah. That's really neat, man. leaving the Fontana Dam area. We've rode the Dragon, we've seen Fontana Dam, we have got some lunch, and now we're taking it back to Chattanooga. So I want you guys to know I appreciate each and every one of you. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If this is your type of thing, then please subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I release new material. I hope you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you again very soon.